Hello, my friends. Today we are going to show you how to thread the new model HM-1501. We need to get the embroidery thread, the threading needle, and the trimmer. You can find these two items in the toolbox. When we pack the machine, we leave the thread on the machine, so when you receive it, it messes up, so we cut it. We cut the thread and remove actual thread. And then we put the new thread on it. On the thread base, you can see the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The numbers on the needle thread plate. And for example, I will show you how to thread the first needle. Put the thread on it. And here we have two methods to thread the needle. One method is fast threading. We connect the thread remaining on the machine with the new thread. And then we come to the front of the machine. We pull the thread out. And then the new thread quickly goes through the thread tension base. We cut actual thread and thread it in the needle hole. Go through from the presser foot and go up. It has a trimmer inside. Cut it. Thread well. And then I will show you another method to thread the needle. We put the thread on it, and then the thread go up. This is the second needle hole, and for other needles, the hole right upon the needle is correct. It go up, and it go through the thread guide to the tension adjustment knot. Then it come to the threading. It has a gap inside, and we need to put the thread through the gap and then press it. The anti-wind tube. And then we will need to use the threading guide. Remove the first end of the anti-wind tube. And then make the thread through the anti-wind tube and connect it back. Here should be a full circle. And come down. Go through the needle lift and go down. Thread the needle. These are two methods of threading the needle.